Three parents, Ben, Jess, and Ollie, all doing their best to raise their kids after separation. Life is busy, but with tax season here, a new question hangs over them all. How much refund can I expect in 2 out of 5? Ben tracks every expense: school lunches, uniforms, medical bills. But when it comes to tax, he's unsure what counts with shared custody. Jess works part-time, co-parents her daughter, and pays for daycare. But can she claim dependence this year? She's not even sure where to start. Ollie's a full-time dad. He's careful with finances, but most tax tools don't understand separated families. His refund estimate? Totally unclear. Over coffee, Jess shares a site she just found: taxrefundonspot.com.au. It's made for Australians. And yes, it estimates your refund even with shared or sole custody. In just minutes they're on the site, entering income, dependents, support payments, and custody details. The smart estimator adjusts for their real lives. It checks what most tools don't, like parenting percentages, family rebates, and previous year's claims. No jargon, just clarity. Ben finally sees his estimate, and it's better than expected. The site calculated everything he nearly missed, like health costs and school tech purchases. Jess gets her questions answered on the spot. How do shared school fees work? Can she claim school excursions? Turns out, yes, partially. Ollie's refund estimate is ready, and he can choose to lodge now or wait. Either way, he feels in control for the first time. Less stress, more peace of mind, and a clearer idea of what's coming back. For these parents, taxrefundonspot.com.au didn't just estimate a refund, it gave them confidence. Separated or divorced with kids? Estimate your 2025 refund easily, accurately, and online. Visit taxrefundonspot.com because your time and peace of mind matter.